Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add image or shape in Microsoft Word program. So to add image on shape like this, firstly insert your shape. So in this shape options, select any shape and draw your shape. Right click on it and click on wrap text and click on tight. So all text will be arranged around this shape. Now right click, or also you can, so now click on this shape fill. So drop down, click on picture, select from your PC any picture, then click on insert. That's it. And you can give the more style. And you can give more style by changing some effect. Like this. So that's it friends, by this quick method and very super easy method we can know how to add image or shapes in Microsoft Word program. Thanks for watching.